go of the wheel, it's the bullet lane. Now I'm seeing red, not thinking straight. Blurring all the lines, you intoxicate me.
So for today's video, I'm gonna do another Cruelty free makeup tutorial. For this time, I'm doing the winter makeup tutorial. So all of my makeup product I'm using is Cruelty free. So yeah, I'm using the 12 shades of gray by Makeup Store. I always wanted to use this for a tutorial, so yeah, I'm doing it. So if you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching.
Okay, starting from the eyes, I'm taking NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone all over my lid to the brow bone to prime and conceal my eyes as well. Okay, then after that, to set that, I use the loose powder that I will use later in this video. Okay, now for the eyeshadow, I'm taking 12 shades of Gray palette by Makeup Store. I'm taking this matte shade and just put it all over my crease as my transition color. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on my outer corner and to the crease as well to darken up the look. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this like greenish gray color, this shimmer shade, so I'm just putting it on my lid as a lid color. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this darkest matte shade and just put it on the outer corner to darkening up the outer corner and make a dimension. Okay, then after that, I'm taking Stila Smudge Pot eyeliner in the shade black and just make wing eyeliner with this. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the Body Shop ID Primer in the shade black and just put it on my tight line. Then after that, I curl my lashes. Okay, then after that, I'm taking Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara and just put it on my lashes. Okay, now moving on into the face, I'm taking the Body Shop Wonder Brow Primer and just put it on my face. I'm in the center of my face. Okay, now for the foundation, I'm taking the Body Shop Moisture Foundation and just put it all over my face using buffing brush by Real Technique. It is a little bit too light for me, but this is the darkest they have, I think. I'm not sure, so yeah. Okay, then after that, I'm taking Makeup Store Cover or Mix Concealer in the shade Light and just highlighting my face and conceal my dark circle as well. I'm taking the Body Shop Powder to set all over my face. I'm using smaller brush to set the concealer and then I use the bigger brush to set all over my face. Okay, then after that, I'm taking e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzer in the shade Antigua. I'm taking the bronzer side and just bronzing up my face. I don't really contour at all because it is shimmery bronzer, but I kinda contour a little bit, so yeah. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the blush side and just put it on the apple of my cheek to give some color to my cheek. After that, for the highlight, I'm taking the Body Shop Puff on Radiance and just highlighting my face. Okay, now we're back into the eyes again. I'm taking this matte shade again and just put it along the lower lash line. Okay, now after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it along the lower lash line as well, but really close to the lashes, and I use the more precise brush. Okay, then after that with the same mascara, I'm just putting it on my lower lashes. Okay, now moving on into the lips, I'm taking Melted Lipstick by Too Faced in the shade Chihuahua and just put it all over my lips.
So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video.
What for you?